Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Soto's Creative Corner, and this video is an introduction to future videos on making a paper quill doll. And so this video I'll share with you some of the supplies and material you'll need. And you'll want these materials to accomplish making these paper quill dolls. So this doll here is a little bigger than this one, with a Halloween theme, and this with a Mother's Day or Easter. They're 3D, they're dimensional. I'm going to put them on a display, or you can use them as an ornament and put a cord on the top. Here's a few more where I've actually finished making the doll, and now it's time to make the adornments. And this doll will be carrying a basket full of goodies, not sure what it's going to be. And this one is just recently being made. So I would like to share with you how I make these dolls, and hope that with my tutorials you'll be able to make one for yourself. And these are the supplies and materials you'll need. You'll need to pick a color of paper quills, paper. I prefer paper quilling. Paper comes in all sizes, but I prefer using the 1/8. There's even thinner than that, and even thicker. You have the 3/8, the 1/4. So when making these quill dolls, it's good to choose a color for the skin. Like in this instant, this is tan. So I'll use that to make the head and the feet and the hands. And then you want to choose the colors that you want to make your dress, and more colors if you want to choose for the hair. So these are 1/8 3mm quilling paper, which is what I like. So choose your quilling paper. You want to pick for the dress 2 coordinating colors and 1 contrasting, and then a skin tone kind of color. And these are quilling boards, cork boards, double-sided. These are really nice to measure your coils, whether it be tight or loose. And here I have some domes already made that I used a molding dome to create. And I like to use the numbers D and E, and sometimes F. So let's see, D and E, but I don't have any F's made at this time. You also want to choose PVA glue with the metal tip, a nice fine tip, so the glue comes out slow and thin. Although I like to tear my paper, you never know when you need a pair of scissors. Your quilling tool, that's your slotted tool. Make sure it's the one made for your type of paper you're using. Tweezers are good to have on hand. And then your non-slot quilting needle. This curling coach helps to create these domes. As you can see, the middle circle, I go right there to the middle circle, and I just simply stick my quilling needle and slotted needle into the hole of the quilling coach, and then start to roll. You also need a ruler so you can measure the length of your quilling strip. And inspired by this quilting kit I got a long time ago, I never followed the instructions. I got bored with just the solid colors, and that's how we came up with just a splash of color, and it's sort of organic. Each one is different and unique. You also will need the template, which I'm going to share with you how to do. It's pretty much a triangle, and then you cut it down a tad. Like in these pieces that I'm making here, I have the dress and the two dresses. This one's like for the triangle, so that would go here. And so I need a little bit more here to finish, and then to make the sleeves. And then this one has the little arch, and I would put that here. And I have that much more to finish. And these sit under the glass, or underneath the plastic, so you can use as a guide. Like, and this one here, it's just a simple shape that you use, and you can see by the different quilling dolls, they're all different. Here's a quilling doll where I still have to make her sleeves, and she's sorta in the shape of this. But you see how I sort of come out of the lines? But what's important is the size of your paper strip, and then the type of coil pattern you'll make. And then I always finish it off with a nice clean strip of a coordinating color of whatever the dress is. So this one I have, it has the sleeves, and the shoes, I'm not sure how I want to do her sleeves. I mean, I'll put it on her arms. But I made some shoes for her. The shoes are made with a tight coil and a crescent moon. And the dress is made with just loose coils. Same as the sleeves. And then sometimes I invert the fingers or the hands that I have made. Here they're showing like a heart on the attached to the inside, and then we have them here where the heart points to the outside as their hands. So we'll go through all of this if you're interested in making a paper doll, and you have the supplies. This works great, the glue, with the metal nozzle, because it comes out really in a nice thin flow. So I'll show some pictures of some of the other pieces that I'm working on, and hope you come back and join me to make some paper dolls. Please leave a comment down below, tell me what you think, and if you're interested in learning. Until then, this is Soda's Creative Corner, wishing you all a wonderful day, wonderful week. Bye for now.